Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our AG Bengal account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your AG Bengal account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser in search bar, you have to search for employee login AG Bengal. And after searching for that option, just tap on the second option which says employee login. After tapping on employee login, now you have to select a employee type. And now after selecting your employee type, now you have to enter employee PAN. After writing your employee PAN, you just have to enter the password. And after entering your password, now write image code. So you just have to write the image that is above. And after doing that, now you can just simply tap on submit. And after tapping on submit, you will successfully log into your account. But if you find an error like you have entered a wrong password, so what you have to do to fix that is just tap on forgot password option, which is on the right side of your screen. Just tap on forgot password, and after tapping on forgot password, you can reset or recover your password. So just simply reset and recover your password, and then come back to this login page and just enter the new password that you have created, and then tap on submit. After tapping on submit, you will successfully log into your account. That's it guys, this is how to log into your account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks.